Hello, welcome to Lucas Lab Projects. Today we're gonna learn about bees. Okay, so the bee get the nectar, yummy, yummy, yummy. And hello, will you get some honey to another bee's mouth? Okay. Go, 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 go. Okay, so go to the honey. Flap his wings, and there's the honey. So they store the honeycomb in here. You want to see the honeycomb? It's here. Head, eyes, thorax, abdomen, stinger, wings, and the antenna. This is what the bee made for us, the bee wax. The beeswax are good for us. And you can also make with the beeswax lip balms and the most special thing, candles. Hope you subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time in my next video.
You travel on the tube like the ants, like the ant farm.
Yeah, and you go over there to the beehive.